Imagine a day in the life of a KYC analyst, having to manually assemble data from over 200 data sources. Analysts are overburdened and frustrated with the monotony. This leads to significant dissatisfaction and attrition. In fact, 33% of analysts quit before the end of the year.
High employee attrition results in significant increase in hiring and retraining costs. This further increases the operational burden as regulatory milestones are non-negotiable. At Dligence, we use AI and probabilistic decision trees to automate data amalgamation. Using powerful algorithms, we eliminate manual stitching of data. We then deliver the data via APIs that directly integrate into your due diligence platforms. Now the data is ready to consume as standardized regulatory datasets and events. Analysts can now focus on financial crime investigation, thereby reducing the regulatory risks and creating a more secure financial system.
Now your employees feel valued, see the opportunities for growth. This increases employee satisfaction and retention.